Good day, kids! Today we are going to study science for grade 5. Are you now ready? After you have watched this video, you will be able to describe the parts of the reproductive system and their function. Let us read first the following words: scrotum, ovary, penis, vas deferens, fallopian tube, testes, vagina, cervix. Let's study first the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is made up of several organs which include the testes, ducts, accessory glands, and penis. It is specifically responsible for producing sperm cells and hormones. A sperm cell is needed to fertilize an egg cell. Hormones are responsible for the development of male characteristics. A male can produce numerous sperm cells. An average man can have approximately 5 million in a single drop of his semen. Out of these millions of sperm cells, only one is needed to fertilize an egg cell. A sperm has a head, middle part, and a tail. Penis is the external male organ with a tip called glans. It is covered with foreskin that may be removed through circumcision. Scrotum is a pair of pouch-like sacs that contains the testes. It also controls the testes temperature because they must be slightly cooler than the body to produce sperm cells. Testes are the glands that produce the sperm cells and a male sex hormone called testosterone. Epididymis is a narrow coiled tube that stores sperm cells. Urethra. The urethra in males is the passageway of both urine from the urinary bladder and semen from the glands. Seminal vesicles are sac-like pouches attached to the vas deferens. It contributes to the semen production, a sugar-rich fluid which provides energy for the sperm cells' motility. Vas deferens is a long muscular tube that serves as the passageway of the sperm cells released from the testes. It also connects the testes to the seminal vesicle and the urethra. Cowper's gland, also called as bulbourethral gland, is one of the two pea-sized organs found beneath the prostate gland. It is responsible for releasing fluid that flushes out foreign matters and neutralizes the acidic urine in the urethra. Prostate gland is a gland that located between the bladder and the penis. It produces fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm. And now let's proceed to the parts and functions of the female reproductive system. And these are the uterus, ovaries, fallopian tube, cervix, and the vagina. Ovary produces egg cells as well as the female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. Female humans have 2 ovaries. About 70,000 potential egg cells are already present in the ovaries of a female when she is born. However, only about 500 of these eggs will mature. The mature eggs are released one by one every month once the female reaches puberty and until she is about 43 to 55 years old. The mature egg cell leaves the ovary through the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube lead the egg from the ovary to the uterus. This is also the usual site of the fertilization of the egg cell and sperm cell. Female humans have 2 fallopian tubes, each connecting to an ovary to the side of the uterus. Uterus, also called the womb. The uterus is a hollow muscular organ located at the lower of the abdomen. It has a soft, smooth inner lining called the uterine or the endometrium. This lining becomes thicker as it accumulates blood and nutrients to accommodate the unborn baby as it develops. It is also the site where the fertilized egg is implanted. If the egg cell is not fertilized, together with the uterine lining, it will break down and is discharged during menstruation. Cervix is located at the lower part of the uterus. It is a narrow opening between the uterus and the vagina. During childbirth, it expands to allow the passage of the baby. Vagina, also called the birth canal. The vagina is a hollow, muscular tube that extends from the cervix to the vaginal opening called vulva. It expands to let the baby pass during normal delivery. Can you now identify the following whether they belong to male or female reproductive systems? Write your answer to the column below. Let us remember, the male reproductive system is composed of testes, scrotum, seminiferous tubules, epididymis, vas deferens, prostate gland, urethra, and penis, while the female reproductive system consists of ovaries, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, and vagina. Let us practice more. Compare and contrast the testes and the ovaries. What do they produce? How do their products differ? What do you think is the importance of circumcision? So now kids, let's try to answer the evaluation. Good luck! Thank you for watching. See you next time.